Today is Saturday. It's been a long 2 weeks with heavy call, and so I slept in. I have a lot of catching up to do and just little work things. So I'm going to make a soy chorizo nourish bowl using the Trader Joe's soy chorizo, which is really good. And I have 2 zucchini that have seen better days, so we're gonna try to use these. But this soy chorizo is amazing.
Hello my Living Whole friends. So we are making a bowl that takes less than 10 minutes. We're going to chop 2 zucchini. I've got some old tomatoes that need a little livening up, so we're going to chop those with some sweet mini peppers. We've all seen vegetables chopped, so here's my mini peppers with the tomatoes and soy chorizo. I only used half. I was planning to use these potatoes, but then I decided to go for a low carb version and only utilize the zucchini. So we have my sweet mini peppers, tomatoes, zucchini, and half the soy chorizo. Making this bowl is so super simple. You just spritz your pan with a little bit of coconut oil. Throw in your sweet mini peppers first, let those saute just about a minute until they have a little bit of browning. I like to stir these frequently so that they're browned on all sides and evenly cooked. If you've been around Living Whole, you know that I love zucchini squash. It's one of those high volume foods that I incorporate into meals for volume eating, phytonutrients, and fiber. Saute and stir until evenly cooked, then you can add in the tomatoes. These had seen better days, so anytime that you have tomatoes that look like they're going a little south, you can chop them and put them in a little pan with heat and oil, and they will plump right up. Toss in that soy chorizo and continue to stir and saute until evenly cooked, and you have yourself one heck of a meal. This only took about 10 minutes to cook and 5 ingredients. I did add some black beans for added protein and phytonutrients and fiber and all the good stuff, as well as a little bit of salsa because you guys know how I love salsa. So if you just plate that, enjoy leftovers either in enchiladas, in tacos, or even the next day. It's so good. Voila, this is a meal that I love to make. It's so comforting and nourishing. I hope you guys enjoyed this. As always, I will see you in the next one.